I'm Teacher Jim. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious spaghetti with meat sauce for dinner. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up this pot with water and bring it to a boil. Okay, I'm going to add some salt into the pot to give the spaghetti some flavor. And I will put the lid on top so that it builds up some heat. So I just got some garlic over here, and I had some cloves from another bulb of garlic, but I want some more. Yeah, I want to have more cloves in my meal. I love garlic. What about you guys? I also got some onion here, yellow onion. It has a nice flavor. And I got some rosemary from the garden. That's gonna add a lot of flavor. Do you use fresh herbs in your cooking? Let me know. So a tip that might help you if you cook with onion and they make your eyes tear, a tip that I learned is to just simply rinse the onion. Rinse the raw onion before you work with it, and the gases that are emitted from the onion will be deterred. I've turned the fire on underneath this frying pan, and I just added some olive oil because I want to fry my vegetables, the garlic and the onion, in the olive oil. Wait for the oil to heat up a little bit, and I have here, as you can see, my chopped up garlic and onions. Do you use garlic and onions in your cooking? Do you use olive oil? Or maybe you prefer a different kind of oil? Please let us know in the comments. So I'm just grinding a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt into the onions and garlic because that will help the onion, especially, to reduce in size, and the liquid from the onion will be excreted out of the onion. So now that the onions and garlic have reduced a little bit in size, and they're on their way to being cooked enough for my taste, I'm going to open up this package of plant-based ground meat and add it into the pan. There you go. So I opened the package. I like this plant-based ground meat because it's high in protein and it is not made with animal products. If you don't have to kill the animal, never mind. So this meat is frozen, so I want to build up some heat. I'm going to put the lid on so that the cooking process is not as long. What do you think about that? It looks good, doesn't it? The meat is cooked now, and I noticed that the pan is a little bit too small for the sauce. So I need to transfer these ingredients into this deeper pot. And then I'm going to add the tomato sauce, and I'm going to add the rosemary. And it'll have enough room to hold all of the sauce that I need. This is the sauce that I always buy at Walmart, and I really like it. It has a lot of flavor, and the tomatoes come from Italy. I usually add 2 jars of sauce when I make a meal for my family. I mixed the meat and the sauce together, and now I'm going to strip the leaves off of the stem. A little more nutrition, I'm going to add some peas into the sauce. These are frozen peas. So I added some salt into the sauce, and in addition to the salt, I will add some mozzarella-style plant-based cheese shreds. This is a little secret. It makes the sauce thicker and more enjoyable to eat. It's going to melt and become one with the sauce. I'm going to drain the water out of the pot because the pasta is finished, but I could use a colander. I prefer not to use the colander because I don't want to wash the colander after, so I use this technique. This is my spaghetti with meat sauce, onions, garlic, rosemary, and peas. If you have a special meal that you like to prepare, please let me know about it and tell me how you prepare it. I would love to know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.